Hey everyone, this is Justetech and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I will show you how you can bypass the iCloud activation lock screen on the various iPad models having the GSM or MEID service, and you can bypass it with the SIM working and all the iCloud services will work like FaceTime, Siri, App Store and many more. So you can follow the same process, and I have a iPad mini 2 and this is the cellular model. That means the SIM is enabled in this iPad model, and all the things we will do on our Windows machine so we can jailbreak and bypass on the single system, so that will be more easy and great. So let's just go to our system and start this process. Now the first step, you have to jailbreak your device with the checkra1n. So you can do all that on our Windows machine using my custom ISO file. I have released so many versions like old version 0.10.2 or above version like the latest 0.12.4. so all the version links in the description, so you can check dedicated video. I have a 12.5.4, that is the latest version for the iPad mini 2. So I will use the old checkra1n version, that is the 0.10.2 for all the iOS 12. So I recommend you to use the correct checkra1n version according to your iOS version. So you just need to head over to the description blog link and go to that and download all the checkra1n ISO file version. Now first we have to make the USB bootable to run the checkra1n on our Windows machine. So for that, open the Rufus tool, import the ISO file and then just click on flash and it will make the USB bootable. And after that, simply restart your PC and go to your BIOS section and select your pen drive and directly boot from it. Now once you see the checkra1n, you have to connect your device. So I have an iPad mini 2 cellular model and it's running on the latest iOS 12.5.4. Alright, now in order to jailbreak some iPad models or some iPhone models like iPad mini 2 and iPhone 5s, you need to apply some trick in order to jailbreak the complete process on our Windows machine. After you proceed to the jailbreak, it will first stuck on the setup exploit and then it will stuck on the write before trigger error. So for that, you need to unplug and replug your cable. This is only for the iPad mini 2 and the iPhone 5s because this issue mainly in these two devices and other devices are working fine. So it will take around 2 to 3 minutes to set up the complete jailbreak. So when it comes to the write before trigger error, you need to unplug and replug your USB cable fast, and then you will see the booting process. And there are some warning like DFU sync upload fail, so just ignore that. You don't have to worry about that. That warning is completely normal in the iPad mini 2 and the iPhone 5s devices. In the end, you will see all done. That's all we need. So if you see all done, that means the jailbreak is completed. And if you see any other error like USB muxD or -92, -78, you need to just repeat the jailbreak process. Now the jailbreak is completed. Now we have to unplug the cable and reboot the PC and go to your Windows machine again. So for that, just remove the cable. So let me just show you. The device is currently on activation lock screen. Now after that, just quit the checkra1n and on the terminal you have to type the reboot and hit on enter and it will restart your PC. After that, you can unplug your USB stick. Now once you do that, you will see your Windows will be loaded again. Now after that, you have to proceed for the bypass steps. So for the bypass, you need to follow this video very carefully, otherwise you will see some errors. So for the bypass, we will use the iRemove tools. I will give the links in the description of the official website. So for downloading this, you need to require a Mac or a Hackintosh operating system because this app is for Mac or Hackintosh only. But we will see how to run this app on our Windows machine. So we will use some virtualization software in order to run this tool on our Windows. So you will get the discount coupon code on all the services related to this software or other services. So you can just apply the coupon code and get some good discount on all the models that having on the website. Now in order to run the iRemove tools, you will need a virtualization software, that is VMware, and the Mac is installed. So I have already shown the complete process step by step like how you can install that on our Windows machine. So watch this dedicated video in that I have explained each and every step. So you will get the direct link in the pinned comment. So watch that video first and set up your Mac completely on your Windows machine using VMware tools, and after that you can easily run the Mac and then you can easily run any tools like iRemove tools or Checkmate or Mina MEID. So you can bypass it all with the Windows using the MEID tools. So I have already set up the Mac on our Windows machine using the VMware software. So I request you to watch that dedicated video. In that I have explained each and everything in detail, and now you just need to download the software, that is the latest version available on the website, and you can apply the same promo code on the Checkmate and iRemove tools, so you can get the discount on both the software. So you can bypass the GSM, MEID or other services with a SIM. So you can apply the coupon code and enjoy some discount. Now after the installation, simply run the tool. Now the first step, you have to jailbreak your device, but that we have already done on our Windows machine. Alright, now I will show you how you can register your device in the tool. After the jailbreak, your device status will be appear, it's registered or not. Now in order to register, you need to fill your device detail and use the coupon code JustATech to avail some discount. To showing you this registration process, I have shown you from the different model because my iPad is already registered. So the registration process is same for the iPhone or iPad. After the registration, you need to just connect your device again and simply click on start, and this time your device will be getting into bypass stage. So just wait to get complete and do not disconnect your device until you will see the bypass is completed. So you can follow the same process. All you need to do is you need to use the coupon code, that is JustATech, and you will get some good discount on all this model. Now as you can see, the bypass is completed and you will directly redirect to your home screen. Now you can use your iPad like a normal device, and it's completely untethered method. So you can use the SIM, or you can use your own Apple ID account and avail all the services that are included in this iPad. So first let me show you, this method is completely untethered, so you will not get relock again after the reboot. So it's completely untethered method. So as you can see, the device is completely on again. Now let me just insert the SIM and show you the data connection is working on this iPad. And if you are having the different iPhone models or iPad that are capable of calling function, so you can use the calling function also. So I have an old iPad mini 2. So now I have inserted the SIM. So if the SIM is not read or the first time, you have to just reboot it and it will show, so that the network operator setting will be refreshed. Now as you can see, my operator logo and the symbol is here, and you can see the signals and the carrier name. You can also go to the SIM mobile data connection settings and you can refresh your network selection, and that will completely fine. So I have done all the settings. My data connection is perfectly working and it's getting on or off. Now I will surf a website and show you the practical. Now I will just open the website. Now you can see the Google is working. So let me just open my own blog, or I will just search my name on the Google. So now as you can see, my channel is coming and the internet is working fine. So you can use the 3G, 4G, LTE according to your model. So everything looks fine. So if you have a iPhone and other iPad models capable of the calling function, you can easily do that calls on the iPhones like MEID or GSM. So now I will show you the iCloud login is working. So let me just sign in my own Apple ID account. Now you can see that my iCloud login is working and everything will work, all the services including the FaceTime, Siri, and you can see I'm doing all that through my mobile connection. The Wi-Fi is off, the data connection is on. So let me just show you, the FaceTime is also working. So now you can see we have successfully logged in our FaceTime, so you can place the calls. Now let me show you, the App Store is also working. So in short, everything will work. You can do the step-by-step process and all the things will work. So let's try the Siri. Hey Siri, open the settings. Now you can see the Siri is working fine. So I have shown you each and every step and all the working step-by-step practical process. So just hit the like button for this. So in the last, I will just reboot it again and show you after the reboot, everything will work like a normal. Now you can see the data connection is still working and you are getting the signals and everything will work. Now let me just go to the Safari and surf the website again. So you can apply the same process for all the iPhones or iPad models that having the GSM or MEID. iPhone 5s to iPhone X are supported, and other iPad model that are supported by the Checkmate jailbreak. So that is all for today. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.